In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not displaying error. If Facebook Marketplace is missing, not loading, or simply not showing up on your account, don't worry. In many cases, this problem can be fixed with a few simple checks. We'll go through the most effective solutions one by one so you can figure out whether the issue is with your account, your app, or Facebook itself. First, go to Facebook and make sure your account is actually eligible to use Marketplace. You need to be at least 18 years old. Marketplace must be available in your country, and your Facebook account should not be brand new. It's also important to make sure your account has not violated Facebook's community standards or commerce policies because restrictions can remove access to Marketplace. Next, update the Facebook app. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Facebook, and install any available update. An outdated app can sometimes cause features like Marketplace to disappear or stop working properly. After that, restart your device, turn your phone off, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on and open Facebook again. This helps clear temporary glitches that may be affecting the app. You should also check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and make sure your connection is stable. A weak or unstable network can prevent Marketplace from loading correctly. If you're using Android, clear the Facebook cache, open settings, tap apps, select Facebook, go to storage, and tap clear cache. If you're on iPhone, there isn't a direct clear cache option, so if needed, you'll want to uninstall and reinstall the app later. Now log out of Facebook and log back in. Open the app, tap the menu icon, choose log out, then sign back into your account. This can refresh account-related data and restore missing features. You can also search for Marketplace directly. Open Facebook, tap the search bar, type Marketplace, and open it if it appears. Then check the menu shortcut by tapping the menu icon and looking for Marketplace there. If it still doesn't show, try Facebook in a web browser. Open your browser, go to Facebook, sign in, and see if Marketplace appears. If it works in the browser but not in the app, that usually means the app is the problem. At that point, reinstall the Facebook app. Uninstall it, restart your device, install the latest version again, then log in and check Marketplace. If you see messages saying Marketplace isn't available to you or that you can't buy or sell, your account may have restrictions. Also keep in mind that Facebook server issues can sometimes affect Marketplace, so waiting a few hours may help. If nothing works, open Facebook, go to the menu, select Help and Support, tap Report a Problem, choose Marketplace, and describe the issue clearly. If possible, include screenshots to help Facebook review the problem faster.